Are you looking for the best laptops for Blender? In this video we will look at some of best laptops for Blender. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. HPMV Laptop. HPMV Laptop is built to manage intensive computing tasks with ease. With its powerful Intel Core i9-139H processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 460 GPU, this laptop's capability is beautifully displayed on a 16 inches WQXGA touchscreen that offers both superior resolution for precise detail and touch functionality for an interactive experience, suitable for professionals in creative fields as well as casual users, ideal for designers and artists. The touchscreen functionality of this laptop enhances direct interaction with your work, supported by a robust array of connectivity options like Thunderbolt 4 and HDMI. Its 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and dual 2 TB SSDs offer excellent performance, ensuring that multitasking and resource-intensive applications run smoothly. Whether you're creating intricate designs or managing large media files, this laptop provides the speed and responsiveness needed for professional-grade work. While the NV excels in performance, it does come with compromises in portability and battery life. Its high-end components and sizable display, though enhancing productivity, tend to drain the battery more quickly. This could be a drawback for users who need their laptop to last for extended periods away from a power outlet. Additionally, the device's weight makes it less ideal for frequent travel. Even so, the HP Envy remains an excellent choice for those who value power and a feature-packed workstation over mobility. Number 4. MSI Creator M16HX Laptop. MSI Creator M16HX, designed for advanced creative tasks, emerges as a choice for professionals using Blender. This laptop is powered by an Intel Core i9-149HX processor and an NVIDIA RTX 470 GPU, offering unrivaled performance for 3D modeling, rendering, and animation. The 16 inches QHD Plus display enhances this with a 240Hz refresh rate, providing extensive screen real estate and a silky smooth visual experience necessary for detailed creative endeavors. This laptop is designed with creators in mind, offering a balance of performance and usability, with features such as a high refresh rate screen and expansive connectivity options, including USB-C and HDMI ports. Its cooling system is adapted, managing heat, ensuring that the laptop performs optimally even under significant computational loads typical of professional Blender projects. While it comes with impressive specifications, the MSI Creator M16HX also makes some trade-offs, particularly in battery life during intensive tasks, which might restrict its mobility for fieldwork. Professional artists and designers might find this a limiting factor. Although the high-performance components justify a premium price, despite its weight, those in need of a powerful workstation will find the MSI meets their rigorous software demands. Number 3. Asus Ragrich G16 Laptop. Asus Ragrich G16 is for both gaming enthusiasts and professional Blender users. It harnesses the power of a 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13650HX processor, combined with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 460 GPU, providing ample computational strength for intensive rendering and 3D modeling. The device boasts an FHD display with a 165Hz refresh rate, ensuring that animations run smoothly and visuals are sharply detailed, crucial for meticulous Blender work. Designed with gamers in mind, the STX G16 includes features like a high refresh rate display and ROG intelligent cooling system, which also benefits creative professionals by maintaining performance stability during intensive processing. This laptop is an excellent choice for those who need a robust multi-purpose machine capable of handling both creative and gaming activities. However, while the STX G16 excels in performance, its FHD resolution may not meet the expectations of users looking for higher screen clarity found in QHD or 4K displays. Also, its design, while sleek, is somewhat bulky, which might not appeal to those seeking a more portable option. Despite these drawbacks, its combination of powerful internals, cooling efficiency, and gaming-oriented enhancements make it a compelling option for Blender enthusiasts looking for a versatile workstation. Number 2. MSI Katana A15 Laptop. MSI Katana A15, designed for high-performance computing with its AMD Ryzen 9 8945HS processor and NVIDIA RTX 470 GPU, this laptop is for professionals who require superior processing power for tasks like 3D rendering and animation in Blender. Its QHD display and 165Hz refresh rate ensure that every detail is sharp and every motion smooth. Despite its powerful internals, the Katana A15 manages heat well with its efficient cooling system, which is vital for maintaining performance during long rendering processes. The design is sleek and functional, catering to users who need a reliable machine that can handle intensive computing tasks without frequent slowdowns or overheating. With robust performance and excellent display quality, the battery life of the MSI Katana A15 might not meet the needs of users looking for mobility. The laptop also falls short in delivering a high-quality sound system and durable build compared to its rivals, which may turn off users seeking a luxury multimedia experience. However, for its price, the MSI Katana is packed with substantial capabilities and performance, making it a strong contender for Blender enthusiasts. Number 1. Acer Predator Triton Neo Laptop. The Acer Predator Triton Neo is built to meet the demanding needs of both gaming and creative projects, making it perfect for Blender users. It comes with a powerful Intel Core Ultra 9-1185H processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 470 graphics card, ensuring top-tier performance for complex 3D modeling and rendering. The 16-inch WQXGA Plus display offers vibrant, sharp visuals, making it ideal for professionals who require precision in their creative work. To keep the laptop cool under pressure, the Triton Neo uses advanced cooling technology, which is essential for handling intensive tasks like rendering in Blender. This ensures sustained performance without overheating, a common issue in high-performance laptops. Additionally, the laptop features AI-enhanced capabilities like noise reduction and dynamic display optimization, which improve the overall user experience. While the battery life isn't ideal for long mobile use, it is often overlooked due to the powerful performance and robust specifications. The battery can drain quickly when pushed to its limits, especially during tasks like live rendering, which may be a downside for users who need it on the go. However, for those seeking a powerhouse laptop that can serve as a desktop replacement or handle short bursts of intense use, the Triton Neo excels with its exceptional speed, high-quality display, and innovative features aimed at enhancing both gaming and creative experiences.